Hi everyone. I just got Mihai, product lead at Ocean Protocol, so I decided we should do a quick interview because, as you know, us and Ocean are super close, and I don't know if you noticed, but we have our first collab swag, so we have this limited edition shirts that we're going to give away. 10 or 15, I think.
I think
15, yeah, 15 limited edition t-shirts. So if you're not here at that con, I'm sorry, but you won't be able to get our cool swag.
Yeah, you need to scan the QR code and join a raffle.
The raffle is today.
Yeah.
But Mihai, how was that con for you guys?
For me, it was a very nice experience. It was my first time personally at Oceans, and I found the vibe super cool. A lot of people actually developing and really interested in our technology and other projects' technologies, and I think this is the right way for Web3. Just focusing a lot on the technology and building valuable products.
I agree. I think that DevCon is one of those really good conferences for meeting developers and people that are really passionate about building in Web3, not just fairy dust.
Yeah.
I think it was the same for us. I think our BD team had met a lot of great projects, but we're going to cover that in the weekend review. But I wanted to ask you because our community understood by now that we have a close relationship and that your product Predictor has seen great success over the past few months. And Sapphire is a good foundation for building all sorts of projects. And my question would be like, what are your future plans for Sapphire besides Predictor? Like, do you have any plans of building something else, or using Sapphire for other needs you might have?
Yeah, we will be launching a new product called the Ocean Node, which is basically a revamp of the old technology. Improved, in some places we removed a few features, added some else based on community feedback. And while exploring Sapphire, we realized that we can use the encryption on it to actually improve the nodes. In the past, we were using the private key on the node to encrypt assets, which was a constraint that we weren't necessarily happy with it, but we couldn't find a pragmatic solution for that. And now, thanks to Oasis, we have that solution, and that will be the first integration, having new data token templates on Sapphire and having this encryption of file sources and asset metadata done directly on Sapphire. In the future, we will launch a product that will be ready probably end of the year or Q1 next year. That will fully launch on Sapphire, and that will be a bit more complex, but we'll see at that point.
I really love what you guys are doing. So this would be an on-chain encryption?
No, it's directly on-chain.
Yeah,
this is why we are using Sapphire. Okay. In the past, we were doing it off-chain, and this is why we didn't like it, but it was something that we compromised upon.
Yeah, and I just wanted to highlight this aspect, so maybe other people will hear this and realize that Sapphire offers this possibility.
Yeah, and from our knowledge, it's the only chain that does this, so...
You heard it here. Mihai, thank you so much for taking this interview. I won't take up much of your time. I know you guys are busy. Yeah, I need to film the weekend review after this, so yeah. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you around the conference.
Thank you.
Bye everyone.
Bye.